Yeah.
Excuse me, but I need some money.
Got nothing better to do?
You looking for trouble? I fought for you.
Morning.
Look here. You want to catch another sinner bounty hunter? Take a gander at the poster there.
Hello, mister.
I suggest you cut and run, friend.
Nasty individual. That one? They say she's sleeping rough near Cumberland Falls. And what's more, they say she ain't sleeping alone.
Oh, I got it.
We got enough crap around here from the livestock.
That's cool, girl.
Hello.
How are you?
What is with you?
Hey, what's your issue?
Howdy. Sorry, girl. Hey, you're okay, girl.
About time we went on tear.
All right, girl.
Cross a path full of locals the other day, so they won't forget the Driscoll name.
Easy, girl. There, girl. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Yep. Okay, girl. Yeah, good girl. You done good, girl.
Hey, this way! You've got to help me out here, mister. Can you? Please? I've been on the run for days now. If you could help me with these shackles, I just might have a chance. Oh, yes. Yes. Perfect. Thank you. I got no money to give you, but I think I might got something even better. Some of those fellows talked about this old crone up north of Strawberry. Got herself a tidy sum locked away. Maybe just stories, but they were sure excited.
Oh, yeah? Why'd I be interested in that, huh?
I don't know, just a hunch. It's up to you, friend.
It's okay, girl. Yeah. There's a girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Shh, girl. Yeah. Be there. There. Yeah. Good girl. You're good. You're all right. That's it.
I'm just a lady, is all. That there's a bounty hunter. Get him!
Eliane, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make you go with the feller.
What kind of men are you? Puny, backstabbing little... All you men are useless. Save me! Help me! Someone, I'm being shot! I've got a madman after me. He killed my sweetheart. Someone, stop this monster!
Someone gonna die here.
All right, then. You are a piece of work. Now, come here.
Rot in hell. Rot with the rest of them. Let me out of this thing. No?
All right, let's go.
Don't you manhandle me.
Let's go for a ride.
Oh, dear. Look him over.
Settle in. You got a ride ahead of you.
It's a horrible blur. But I see blood. There's blood everywhere. It won't come out. I'm not like that. I'm a good girl. Really. I promise I am. You believe me, don't you? Don't you, mister? Oh, my. I need help, okay? I have an illness. A fever of the brain. I've done bad things, but a jail ain't where I belong. A sanatorium, maybe. Get me help, mister. Please? Save me. Save me from the sheriff. And moreover, from myself. You're such a strong man. So tough and burly. Maybe if I had a strong man like you, I wouldn't be in this mess. My menfolk, they all been weak. That's what my problem's been. How I got in this unfortunate situation. But a big, strong man like you'd set me straight. Wouldn't you, mister? Put me on the straight and narrow?
Yeah, you're doing good.
I hate you, you sad sack of shit! I wish I'd cut your belly open and shown you your guts. Gutless bounty hunting nobody. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Ah! I wish you'd die. Ah!
Just admiring yours. Hey, you're okay, girl.
What's your issue?
We're coming up on the jailhouse. Anything else you want to try on me?
Just get me there. You're no fun at all.
I'm afraid I ain't. You order a lady killer here, Sheriff?
Yeah, we did. Put her in the cell, won't you?
I protest my innocence. I protest my innocence.
She might be a little shaken up. She lost another feller out by the falls.
Poor dear.
Men just got a habit of dying around you, don't they, Mrs. Swan?
I hope you'll be comfortable, miss.
She'll be fine. Now come get your money off the desk here. The Black Widow herself. This town's so starved of women, I'm sure she could find herself a husband yet.
That's cowboys for you.
Indeed. So, it seems this town's got more pressing problems than outlaws. Gonna take some time off posting bounties, impose law and order on the streets.
That man
Clumsiness
has
ain't
a
a crime.
heart of stone. It's silly to keep me locked up in here. I mean, what am I gonna do? Just little old me. Let me out to exercise a little.
I'm immune to your charms, Mrs. Swan.
It's so boring in here. Can we have some fun, Sheriff? Just the two of us?
And to think you was sniffing around this office at one point. I'm lucky you was charmed by another.
You see, Sheriff, I know your secrets. And I could spread them all over. Like Miss Moria?
Don't you dare mention Mara again. Now hush.
Oh. Show me some sympathy, Sheriff. I'm a widow. A poor little widow. You forget?
They can say what they like about you, but at least you respected the sanctity of marriage.
Till death do us part.
It's all right, girl.
Evening, mister.
What's this all about?
Yeah. There, girl.
Who goes there?
There we go.
Look who's back.
Evening. Oh, Arthur, it is good to see you.
You okay, Mary Beth?
Just great, but I nearly got killed back in town. They caught me robbing from a store and I ran for my life.
You weren't followed here.
Arthur Morgan, of course not. Who do you think you're speaking to?
Good girl.
Let me see some more smiling, boys. Come on. Life is actually pretty good. 100 years ago, we'd have been indentured men. My people were peasants, starving in a field someplace. My mamas were in Lincolnshire. My daddies were outside of Rotterdam. At least that's what they told me. The modern world is ugly. But the old world was worse. Our job is to make a better world for ourselves. Not go backward, but go forward with hope and dreams. Seriously. And that hope begins now.
by being hopeful and happy. So cheer up! All of you, cheer up!
You okay?
Yeah, just fed up with all the pessimism around here.
I hear you. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
All right, Arthur.
Hi there, Arthur.
I think I'll call it a day.
Mr. Morgan.
Please, come on. You brought me in. Help me.
Speak! Don't cry, boy. Speak about your gang.
I can't.
Boy.
Whoa! Hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
You ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horseshit. You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? That's what you want me to do.
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Geld him.
Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among the happiest and most loyal of courtiers.
No, you kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastard! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll was holed up, and you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take you there. Serious, I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken.
Okay then, partner. Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go. Let's both hope you ain't trying to trick us, O'Driscoll.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
You sure as shit was. John, Phil, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where are we heading?
We're up into the hills behind ڤالانتاین. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him.
Sure.
You gotta pay your buddies our respects.
He taking us to Combe?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close. But if I know where we are, it's up past ڤالانтаין.
All right, I'll lead. Sharing saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one, and you smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you high.
Morgan! You got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Doug said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me, instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it?
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey! Hey! If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
What was that, huh?
Hey, you're okay, girl. How you holding up, John?
Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine.
You damn well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She won't be reasoned with.
Well, when you was having a failure of reason, and hiding behind your woman, we were getting shot at.
And I'd do the same for you, if you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I fear you don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself.
You see O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends, imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what you all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts.
Bill, you still got those tongs?
I got a knife. Won't be so clean, but it'll do the job.
Keep that in your mind, young feller. Right at the forefront of it.
Now we go left, road will take us up and round.
Easy, girl. There, girl.
Those are the hills. Head for them.
Save your horses, we gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Tell us then, how are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them? You're out to survive like them? You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law, nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Cohen's a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
Then you looked, but you ain't seen.
John, shut that boy up.
Enough out of you.
Boys, we're almost on them. Now, who knows if this son of a bitch we got with us is talking true, but if it's what he says it is, and Colm O'Driscoll's here, we can end years of fighting, here and now.
Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
We're going in quiet, taking them out as we find them, trying not to set things off. But if we do, we move quick and hard. We settle this like we know how, okay?
Okay by me.
With you, Morgan.
All right, then.
Through the trees here.
Well done, girl.
Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing.
I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill. Quiet.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I said easy.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now, come on. It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy.
but you lose your balls first.
Jesus Christ. Just over the ridge.
Okay, get down.
Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yup.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind, likely as not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The fella that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself.
Yeah.
If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
Come on.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
I'm gonna deal with this first fella.
Okay. Go to work.
You hold him there. Don't give him a chance. Don't worry. I won't. We're here. We don't need nothing else from you. Don't you damn move.
Guns in the camp! Look out!
Yes, they know we're here. Let's get him. It's off. We move quick. We move hard. This is quite a hideout.
We caught him on the drink! Boys!
Colm O'Driscoll, where are you? Bastard got me.
Dice are all together at the end.
You weren't lying, that little toad. We got him. Close in.
Come at me, you Irish bastards!
Keep going, Morgan. Run and hide if you know what's good for you. Come on, then. Come on. You stay here, you're dead man.
What are you hiding out in the woods for?
We catch you unawares.
Son of a hoe!
Give up, O'Driscolls. We got you beat.
Worthless O'Driscoll hides!
Coming back in attack. Watch out. Don't run away from me.
Ah, you drunk idiot!
You see him coming? Too close. I got a boot. That's it. They're turning dead. Leave them. Colm's still here. Hey, he said Colm's be in the cabin. I'll check. You look out here.
What you holding, O'Driscoll? some of that Irish gold.
You ain't gonna check the cabin. I will.
You got supplies, you drunk dead bastard.
You all right?
Sure. Thank you. Colm O'Driscoll. He ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear! If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
All right, then, go on. Get out of here.
Hey?
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you up.
Get lost.
Get lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm one of you now.
Give me a break. All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Oh, hey, I know.
Come on, let's get to camp.
So you got the cash, then?
What cash?
Yeah, there's usually some cash. In the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys, get to camp, quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet.
Right you are.
least you got something tucked away. Come on, girl. Yeah. Okay, girl. Yeah, here we go. Go. You're all right, girl. All right, girl. Yeah, good girl.
How you been?
Hey, easy, girl. Come on, girl. Hey there, mister. Hi there, mister. Okay, girl.
What's the problem here?
Hey, partner. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Hey there. Yeah. Here we go.
We told you not to build on this land. Get out of here! This doesn't concern me.
turning the screw on me from day one, saying I gotta pay them protection money. I told them where to stick it, and well, I guess you just saw how that panned out.
You watch yourself, all right?
This is the worst idea I've ever had. We're with you on that.
Yeah. Easy, girl. Hey, mister.
Howdy.
Good girl.
Whatever do you want?
Mr. Thomas Downs, you owe me money.
Oh, no, I'm...
Oh, come here, you maggot.
Please, sir. I'll...
Really? Threaten me, would you?
Please, I have a family, sir, please.
I don't care about your family. Why'd it have to come to this, huh?
Believe me, sir, I didn't want this either.
You ain't such a do-gooder, are you? If you're running out on debts...
I'm not running anywhere. I'm doing my best for you.
You are a slippery little bastard. But I got you now.
Please, show some compassion.
Strauss told me you needed a beating. You saying he was right?
What will that solve? Be reasonable.
You borrowed money from my business partner, Herr Strauss. You owe him, you took the money. He wants it back, what's not to understand? Where's our money?
I don't have it.
Sell your place.
We already owe more than it's worth.
Then sell your wife, or your family, or something. We ain't your idea of charity. Is that clear?
Thomas!
What are you looking at?
Thomas!
I said what you looking at, woman.
My husband isn't well. If we could just have more...
Like I said, we ain't nobody's idea of charity. Get us the money. Hey, Bill.
Did you find much in the O'Driscoll's cabin?
We did all right out of it. Just no comb. So, a feller in town recognized me from Blackwater.
That's not good.
It's okay, though. I dealt with it.
Ah, how did you get on?
Not so good. He's almost dead. And they seem more or less destitute. You were a fool for lending them the money.
Well, people who aren't desperate don't seem so interested in my propositions.
Of course.
Arthur.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter 100 times or more, and I cannot get it right. It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. But I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story and not an interesting one. But I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town, and I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again, if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine. Yours, Mary Linton.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
It looks like you're reading.
And I am. How do you ask?
Just making conversation.
I'm sorry.
Arthur.
You're very pretty. I'm sorry, I'm not being forward or nothing, but you are.
You're very sweet. Strange. Driscoll, but sweet.
Hey, you're okay, girl. Yeah. That's a good girl.
Would you be interested in some friendly competition? I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him?
Me? A real gunslinger? Let's find out.
Okay, man. That's what I like to hear. Look, man, rules are simple. Hey, man, you shoot too soon. Bets off now. I have my eye out for you.
Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Yeah, maybe. I'm always interested in a good competition.
You ain't much, you know that?
You kill me? I must have misheard you.
There's a girl.
Hi.
Hey there, mister. Yeah. Good girl. Done good, girl. Whoa. Chick Matthews?
Oh, no, not me, sir. That's the greenhorn over there. Oh, and there he goes.
So long, long shark. Damn it! Hey, get back here. You owe us money. Yeah. Bastard. Go. Yeah. You don't want to get me angry, boy.
money.
Lucky I ain't taking your teeth as well.
You'll find it there. Everything. I'll promise.
Yep. Yeah. Slow it up. Hi there, mister. There, girl. Yeah. You okay? Girl. Yeah. Easy, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. You done good, girl. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Yeah. Easy there. I need to find a ranch maid here called Lily Millie. You know where she is?
Lily? Just over there by the store with Cooper.
The ranch maid. Miss Millet, you know where I can find her?
Nah.
Miss Millet, the ranch maid. You know where I can find her?
She's with Cooper over by the store.
You have any idea of the hole I'm in?
Oh, come on! Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
If you didn't make it this week, who's to say you'll make it next?
Don't you take that tone with me. I thought you said you loved me.
I do, but what I get paid ain't enough for one person, let alone two. Your money's gotta be your problem now.
The only problem I got is this bleating going on in my ear. Now lay off it, Lily. God damn it.
Lily, where's our money?
What?
That loan you took. It's payday.
I'm sorry. I don't have it right now.
Well then, I guess we got a big problem, don't we?
Cooper, give him what you've got.
I ain't giving him nothing except a lessening damn manners.
Son of a bitch!
Come on, that's enough. Just give him the money. Cooper! You don't have to do this. Stop it, both of you. Don't hurt him.
Wasting my time.
All right. He has all my money. I gave it all to him. Just take everything that you find on him and let's be done with it. Please.
Hey, you know what I'd do to thieves? Law hear about this.
I didn't steal that. It's a debt. Oh, damn it.
You got your money. Leave me alone. What do you want? I've got nothing to say to you.
There we go.
Help! Help! I need help!
Okay now.
Ain't my concern, no sir.
Be a man about this.
All right, I won't say a thing. No one believed me anyway. Don't do this. Oh, shit!
Just isn't your day, is it?
I'm not a damn cow. Amoral northern scum. Won't someone help me?
Enjoy the peace and quiet. Moaning won't help you.
Got me all hot for what then?
Well, I know horses, Brennan. That's a fine one.
Hey, you're okay, girl. All right, girl. Shh, girl. Okay, girl. You're all right, girl. Yeah. There's a girl.
Hello? Please, I'm trapped.
What happened?
My horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends. Oh, yes. Yes. Just lift as hard as you can. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
sure.
You saved me.
Okay.
Oh, that was bad.
Sure.
I could have been stuck here and starved or eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred?
You need a ride home, ma'am?
Oh, yes, mister, please. Thank you.
Let's go, girl.
Do you know ڤالانتاین? I live there.
Here we go. No problem. Yeah. There, girl.
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know. I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work. I borrowed a friend's horse for the trip. See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is.
A good opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. Not much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't work in no saloon, but I've got sharp eyes and quick hands. I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Yeah. Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
I'd be careful with offers like that, ma'am.
I can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem... odd.
You're all right. Just be careful is all I'm saying.
I may not have another opportunity like
there,
this.
mister.
Now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir.
There, girl.
We're close now. Just a little further.
Morning to you.
Buddy?
Morning, friend.
Morning to you.
We're here. Thank you for all your help. You're a good man.
Glad I was able to help. You take care. Appreciate it. You be well. Hey, mister.
Howdy there.
Hey there, mister. You okay? Whoa, easy. That's it. Easy, girl. Okay, girl. Yeah.
Who goes there?
Good girl. That's the